This machine, the JetX SM24, deliver accuracy in two ways. So one is the traditional way of understanding accuracy. Where am I going to put my pattern? So there we have the hardware. So accurate stages, very accurate print heads, calibration procedures. All of this will take care that the pattern you want to have will land on your substrate exactly where it's needed. And that's what everybody understands, and is an obvious thing. The next level of accuracy that we bring with this tool, and the software we deliver with it, the software will manage which ink is in the machine, which pretreatment is coming to the machine, which pattern is being printed, and most of important, which thickness do you want to have of solder mask. The software will take that into account, will make it as you wish, and then the machine will deliver this thickness accuracy. So it's a concept that is up to this moment left to the fingerspitzengevoel of the operator for traditional solder mask coating. Now it's taken inside the equation, and this machine can therefore deliver you the perfect board time after time. So 2 levels of accuracy.